Hello and a very warm welcome to each one of you. And we are on the tail of this chapter today. But before we start reading, since we are meeting after a few days now, let me share what exactly we have studied and learned so far from this chapter. The first learning was why people do not set their goals. And that is because of the fear, the uncertainty, and lots of limiting beliefs that hold them back. ठीक है. And उसके बाद हमने पढ़ा था the key of achieving goals. The key of achieving goals is clarity, writing them down and focusing on them daily. Then there was a topic about live the dream, wherein we were visualizing and feeling as if we have already, you know, accomplished our goals. उसके बाद हमने बात करी थी द पावर ऑफ RAS, राइट. पावर ऑफ RAS के बारे में बात करी थी, जिस था कि वी हैव टू ट्रेन अवर माइंड टू फिल्टर अपॉर्चुनिटीज अलाइंड विद हमारे जो भी गोल्स होते हैं. फिर हमने फर्स्ट स्टेप कहा था टेक इमीडिएट एक्शन. इवन अ स्मॉलेस्ट ऑफ स्मॉल स्टेप टुवर्ड्स अवर जो गोल होता है विल क्रिएट सम मोमेंटम. ठीक है. उसके बाद फिर हमने पढ़ा था कि हाउ टू मेक गोल्स रियल. एंड उसके अंदर हमने बात करी थी कि इन्फ्यूज गोल्स विद इमोशंस एंड सेंसरी डिटेल्स. उसके बाद हमारा मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट स्टेप था कि हमारे को कंसिस्टेंट रहना है, हमारे को एक्शन कमिटेड एक्शंस लेने हैं, सब कुछ करना है. लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं प्रोग्राम योरसेल्फ फॉर सक्सेस. तो let me very quickly start sharing the screen so that we can read it together. ये क्या हो गया, मेरी स्क्रीन में दिख रही मुझे. Wait. Okay. I'll try that again. ये भगवान, क्या हो गया. मुझे लगता है इतने दिनों में तो मेरा लैपटॉप मुझे भूल गया है. माइंड, हम यहाँ से ही पढ़ लेते हैं. Program yourself for success. Now that you have goals that truly inspire you, that will drive you forward, you have got to make them so compelling that they feel real in your nervous system. How do you develop the ironclad sense of certainty? First, clear away the roadblocks by figuring out upfront what could possibly prevent you and deal with them now rather than 50 miles down the road. Then make commitments to people you know will hold you to your highest standards. Reinforce your new neural pathways by continuous rehearsal with repetition and emotional intensity. Imagine your goals vividly again and again. Incorporate the visual, auditory, and kinesthetic elements that will make your goals a reality, your goal a reality. So this is a very powerful question that you must ask yourself ki what will be the circumstances, what will be the points wherein you can, you know, drop the idea of accomplishing your goal. एंड जब आप एनएलपी के थ्रू गोल सेटिंग करते हो उसके अंदर भी दिस इज वन क्वेश्चन दैट यू आस्क योरसेल्फ व्हाट इज इट दैट यू आर गोइंग टू यू नो अचीव while doing this, what is it that you're going to miss, what is it that will happen because of which you might skip to accomplish this goal. So when you know it, you will know that ये एक्चुअल में कितनी इंटेंसिटी के साथ मैं ये वाला गोल डिजायर करती हूँ या करता हूँ. Alright. And last but not the least, the ultimate lesson. The most important lesson in this chapter is that a compelling future creates a dynamic sense of growth. Oh, sorry, before we go on this, also क्या क्या पॉइंट्स इसमें कवर किए गए हैं कि हमारे को अपने रोड ब्लॉक्स क्लियर करने हैं, हमारे को जो भी चीजें आ रही है वी हैव टू विजुअलाइज आवरसेल्व्स दैट वी हैव अकम्प्लिश दिस गोल अगेन एंड अगेन, ताकि हमारे न्यूरल पाथवेज में हमारे को सर्टेनिटी फिक्स हो जाए कि हाँ ये हो ही जाएगा जो मैं बोल रही हूँ. Right? And repetition and emotional intensity is very important when you think about setting goals, because जहाँ पे आपका वो दोनों चीजें strong होंगी, you will be more motivated, you would stay more consistent and persistent towards your goal. अब चलते हैं. The ultimate lesson. The most important lesson in this chapter is that compelling future creates a dynamic sense of growth. Without this, we are only half alive. The compelling future is not an accessory, but a necessity. It allows us not only to achieve, but to partake of the deep sense of joy, contribution, and growth that gives meaning to itself. Where there is no vision, the people perish. There is a proverb which says this. Am I audible? Am I visible? Why do I see myself stuck in the screen? बारिश हो रही है ना, तो मेरे को लग रहा है कि थोड़ा सा नेटवर्क की भी इश्यू हो रहा है. Anyway, I remember reading about the astounding number of people in this country who die within 3 years of retiring, which proves to me that if you lose the sense that you are producing or contributing in some way, you literally lose the will to live. And that if you do have a reason to hang on, you will. In fact, studies have found that elderly or ill people who are close to death often hang on until just after the holidays. As long as they had something like Christmas or the family visit to look forward to, they had a reason to live. But after it passed, they had no compelling future. The phenomenon isn't true only in our country, it has been noticed in cultures and the world. For example, in China, the death rate drops off right before and during major festivals and picks up again as soon as the festivals are over. ठीक है, जब हमारे पास day before yesterday, I had visited my dad, and my dad was asking my daughter ki, what you have read and what do you think is your massive learning from it. And I was waiting for my turn to come because I was thinking of this subject itself. I was thinking ki, nahi yaar, if you do not have a goal, if you do not have an aim to achieve, that takes you towards some kind of a smaller death. You die every single day if you do not have a passion, if you do not have something that you look forward to. and it is very important that you must have something to look up to. It doesn't matter if you are 18 or 80, you will still need something to drive you forward. The inspiration you seek is found within, waiting to be called upon by an unforeseen challenge and inspired request. Colonel Helen Sanders found it at the age of 65 when he merger society social security check arrived. His anger drove him to action. We don't have to wait for an event in order to have an inspiration. We have to design it. We can design it. Vulnerable, funny man George Burns understands the importance of power and of compelling future. When asked to sum up his philosophy of life, he once replied, "You have to you have to have something to get you out of bed. I can't do anything in bed anyway. The most important thing is to have a point, a direction you are headed." Now in his 90s, he's still sharpening his wit, still taking on movies and TV projects. And I recently heard that he booked himself at the London Palladium in the year 2000, when he will be 104 years old. How's that for creating a compelling future? जब हमारे को हमारा फ्यूचर दिखता है, and whenever we have something to achieve, we have some drive, we get some force to achieve it. Otherwise, if you do not see anything bright for the future, you start sulking. You do not have anything to do. All you do is sleep, and it does not serve. Use your power. You know now what to do to inspire yourself. It is time to do it. If you have read this chapter passively up until now, go back and do the exercises. They are fun and they are easy. First, get your list of your top 4 one-year goals. Second, get clear on why. Third, develop the ritual of retrieving your goals and rehearsing the joy of your achievement daily for 10 days. Fourth, surround yourself with role models and those who can help you develop a plan that will guide you in making it yourself with role models all real. Each of these steps will help you to program your RAS and sensitize you to all the possible resources you can incorporate to bring your goals in fruition. This consistent review will also provide for you the sense of certainty that you need to get yourself to take action. So let's turn to the next chapter and let me share with you a way to break up any obstacles that would stop you by taking on. Oh. The 10-day mental challenge. So before we go on to the 10-day mental challenge, we have this idea in front of us now. ठीक है, हमारे को जो exercises दी हुई हैं इस chapter में, we have to do that. If you have the book, please go back on the on this chapter, do the exercises that have been provided. Step 1 is, to know, first you need to go back and do the exercises. You have to get your list of top 4 one-year goals, है ना? और उसके लिए भी हमने क्या किया था, हमने पूरी लिस्ट बनाई थी गोल्स की, हमारे को क्या क्या अचीव करना है। उसके अंदर हमने उसको मार्क किया था कि 1 ईयर में, 3 ईयर्स में, 5 ईयर्स में, 20 ईयर्स में कौन कौन से गोल्स हमने कब कब अचीव करने हैं। उसके अंदर से हमने 4 गोल्स उठाए थे फ्रॉम द 4 डिफरेंट कैटेगरीज, कि ये 1 ईयर में हमारे को अकम्प्लिश करना है। दैट इज हाउ वी रीच द टॉप 4 गोल्स फॉर 1 ईयर। सेकंड हमने क्या था, हमने हमारे को गेट क्लियर ऑफ ऑन आर वाई, कि हमारे को ये गोल क्यों, व्हाट इज द रीजन व्हाई वी वांट टू अकम्प्लिश दिस गोल। ठीक है। थर्ड, वी हैव टू डेवलप अ रिचुअल ऑफ रिव्यूइंग आवर गोल एंड रिहर्सिंग द जॉय ऑफ अचीवमेंट डेली फॉर 10 days। हमारे को एक विजुअलाइजेशन एक्सरसाइज करनी है। वी हैव टू विजुअलाइज दैट वी हैव ऑलरेडी अकम्प्लिश दिस टास्क। आई वुड रादर से कि जब आप विजुअलाइज कर रहे हो ना कि आपका टास्क अकम्प्लिश हो गया है, सिर्फ वो मत करो। स्टार्ट फ्रॉम टुडे एंड विजुअलाइज, आपने ये किया, फिर आपने ये किया, इंक्लूड द प्रोसेस एज वेल। दिस इज हाउ यू रीच्ड योर डेस्टिनेशन, एंड देन after you have reached the destination, this is the picture that you see around yourself. That is a, I believe that is much easier and a better way of visualization. Reason being, otherwise ये पता है कि अचीव कर लिया, करने के बाद हमने ये किया, पर ये नहीं पता कि कैसे अचीव किया। What were the obstacles? How did you overcome them? Any of it would not be. When you visualize that, you get more ideas as well. ठीक है। Number 4 is surround yourself with role models and those who can help you develop a plan that will guide you in making it all real. तो there are so many coaches, so many mentors जिनको आप enroll कर सकते हो. You can listen to them, you can be in their frequency, you can be in their sessions, so that you understand them more, you know how they have achieved more. And also talk to the people जिन्होंने ये सब accomplish किया है जो आप accomplish करना चाह रहे हो. Also, commitment is a very big muscle. Commit to the people. So एक तो हमारे को अपनी लाइफ का रूल बना लेना चाहिए कि इफ आई हैव सेड समथिंग आई एम गोइंग टू डू इट नो मैटर व्हाट. माय वर्ड इज माय लॉ इज वन थिंग दैट यू शुड अबाइड बाय. ठीक है। और दूसरा, आपको क्या करना है, आपको आप किसी को कोई अपना अकाउंटेबिलिटी पार्टनर बना लो. आप उसको अकाउंटेबिलिटी पार्टनर कैसा होना चाहिए, अकाउंटेबिलिटी पार्टनर ऐसा होना चाहिए जो आपको हेल्प करे, आपको गाइड करे, आप पे ट्रस्ट करे, who believe in you that you can achieve it, and who pushes you to be a better version of yourself in the process of achieving your goals. Okay, this is what you need to do. And yeah, इसके थ्रू हमारा आरएएस हमारे को एक्टिवेट हो जाएगा. वो हमारे को बताएगा, हमारे को अवेयर करेगा, अलर्ट करेगा टू ग्रैब द अपॉर्चुनिटीज, टू एटलीस्ट सी दैट एन अपॉर्चुनिटी हैज कम आवर वे. ठीक है, गॉट इट. दैट्स इट फॉर दिस सेशन टुडे. आई एम नॉट वेरी वेल अभी भी, yet I chose to come, and no matter how long it takes, छोटा बड़ा जैसा मर्जी सेशन लूं, and let's finish this chapter off on a very high note. Always remember, where there is no vision, the people perish, right? Go through the recordings, go through this chapter again, and do whatever it takes, to achieve your goals. इस चीज के ऊपर रिफ्लेक्ट करो कि what are the daily rituals that I can add to program myself to success. कौन से लिमिटिंग बिलीफ्स है, एनवायरमेंट्स हैं, थॉट्स हैं, पीपल हैं जिनको मुझको एलिमिनेट करना है, सो दैट आई स्टे अलाइन्ड टू माय गोल्स, है ना. एंड आपका बिगेस्ट ब्रेक थ्रू क्या था while reading this chapter? I will highly recommend you, if you are on a mission to accomplish something, go back and read this chapter again, and have a clear map drawn in front of you for you to follow. I also want you to remember that success जो होती है ना, it does not come from what you do occasionally. कभी कभी करने से कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. It comes from what you condition yourself to do every single day. छोटा एक्शन सही, पर every single day when you do it, the success ratio increases. ठीक है? The probability for you to succeed increases massively. And what else? एक एक्टिविटी करवानी थी. I wanted you to write, since you would be watching the recordings, I would love for you to, write your top one goal on a paper. And once you have written that, add a daily ritual to program your mind for it. Affirmations लिखनी है, visualization, कुछ photos, pictures पेस्ट करनी है, वो कर लो. एक कॉलम बना लो जहां पे आप अपने एक्शन स्टेप्स लिखोगे, जहां पे आप अपने आप को ट्रैक करोगे whether you are taking these actions or not. Do it on a single sheet. एक शीट ले लो, उसके ऊपर one big goal लिखो, उसके आसपास थोड़ा सा आप यहाँ पे affirmations लिख लो, थोड़ा से आप विजुअलाइजेशन करने के लिए कुछ पिक्चर्स पेस्ट करना चाहते हो तो वो कर लो. एंड देन what are the action steps that you need to take? A4 sheet size पे लेके ये you can do it very easily. Do it, and I would love to see it in the group. Share it in the group with me to see if we can help each other accomplish those goals. Maybe I can be your accountability partner so that I can help you achieve your goals. All right. That's it for today. Take good care of yourself. See you tomorrow. I'm looking forward to have a better, health by tomorrow. And tomorrow we will be starting off with a new chapter which talks about 10 days challenge, some challenge that it was talking about. And let's do that challenge. Take that challenge together ना. हम भी वो challenge book के साथ complete करेंगे. All right. On that note, take care. God bless you once again and have a wonderfully fabulous week ahead. God bless you. Bye bye.